What's up, guys? You know what? Another day. Today I am super duper sleepy. What you're seeing there, that is Agastya's first birthday album. It has just come in today, just a little while ago. Honestly, I and Srujan haven't seen the album yet. So we are going to open it pretty much. I've seen few pictures, Srujan hasn't seen any. So we're going to open it in front of you just a bit. But the main unboxing is there. That is our new laptop. It has come in yesterday and I didn't have the energy to unbox it.
And I wanted to do it on vlog, so I didn't do it.
Yeah.
So, what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. And today, technically, today is my last bachelor day. So,
You're a bachelor till the time you're getting the wedding is done, no?
But still, she'll come here, right? So
She's coming tomorrow or no?
Day after. So, kal jaake kaam rahega. Time is 9:40 and I'm going to Edwin's house, so that's where I'm going to enjoy my bachelor's party.
And honestly, you know what? Today I got a haircut done and घर पे हुआ. First time in my life I think I got a haircut done at home. Tomorrow सुजन का होने वाला है. Obviously ना थोड़ा ढंग से दिखना है ना, so थोड़ा trimming. But yes, so first what we'll do is we'll show you Agastya's album. There's a small video also which is made. You can see that. By the time you see that, I'll get freshen up and come back, and we'll unbox the laptop. What say? Agree with that, Suju?
Cool.
Back got fresh. And yes, one more thing, what are you guys doing productive in this lockdown of yours? So you know what we have done. We are very happy with our small little things what we have done. But what are you doing to improve your future, your business? Let us know. If you're not doing anything, think about something, come up with something productive. If you're studying, join a new course or something. What's it?
Yeah, definitely. Even if you come up with ideas for your future plans, do jot down, do write it down, and whenever, if the situation gets better pretty soon, you can you can be that one step forward, because we already started one small venture, and we have already thought of another business that will be it will take a lot of time for that, but we are jotting down, we are getting ready, and we're preparing ourselves. So yeah, at least if you don't have anything to do right now, if you're done everything and just free, just think about what you're going to do in the future, plan it out, write it down, jot it down. It'll help you a lot.
Okay. How was Aggie's first birthday video? If you haven't seen it before, you have seen it now. And yes, the laptop is here. Sorry for making you guys wait for such a long time, but yes, finally we are unboxing it ourselves.
Kitchen से ये chopping knife लेके आ गए. We still don't have a unboxing knife.
Do you really think we have so many things to unbox on our channel?
No.
Yes, a lot of you guys wanted me to do the long-term review of this laptop of ours. I will definitely give a proper video on that again in the near future.
That's one thing which I ordered extra.
You know why is the secondary laptop more important? The old one, though, we sold it, and the laptop became a desktop literally. It started bulging, so we removed the batteries in it, so it couldn't function without plugging it into the power. So student ka office ke liye, if he needed
now
something new.
Now I need this laptop to file my GST returns.
Yes, that is one small thing. Bigger thing is we need to play Age of Empires.
And even in this laptop, even though it's a secondary laptop, we are actually planning to do small edits. This will be our primary laptop because that's a very huge expensive laptop and it can take edits quite easily. But this thing, obviously it's a secondary. So first thing, I purchased an external mouse.
सस्ता वाला 600 रुपए.
Oh, long-term review if you're asking this. It's an amazing laptop. How can we see this? We have bought from the same company, Asus ROG.
Again, even this is a Zephyrus.
This is a Zephyrus G14.
And the older one is a Zephyrus S.
That's a monster laptop.
Oh, that. Again, if you want to see the unboxing of that video, we've done a very basic job of it again. इसका भी कुछ खास नहीं रहेगा. This is very जो everybody does it at home type वैसे ही रहेगा. Don't expect any fancy type of a thing for our kind of an edit. But yes, another ROG ka laptop is home.
Cool thing about Asus laptops, at least their unboxing, whenever you open the box, the laptop lifts.
Hey, this is much smaller than the other one.
This is a 14 inch. Okay. So Asus ROG Republic of Gamers.
But honestly, they have the best packaging, huh?
Oh yeah, it looks cool. So it's easy to okay, that's the laptop.
Much smaller brick.
Much smaller brick. Oh, then but you can charge this laptop via USB-C as well. Do you know that our laptop, the older one, whenever the laptop is on, this Asus logo glows up in red, and this Chutku, it's a 14-inch laptop, and this Chutku has LED lighting in this, and you can put whatever image you want.
Oh, we've taken the LED wala.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
So that costed 4,000 rupees more than the non-LED version. So I was like, okay, it's 4,000 rupees, we'll go for the fancier one. So for all the geeks out there, this is not an Intel laptop, it's a Ryzen 4000 series. So kudos to that. And performance के हिसाब से we need to do a comparison between both of them. Obviously you can buy two of these laptops instead of this. If you're asking about ports, so 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C, power jack, again USB-C, HDMI, and mic audio output.
How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy. Not bad. 1.8 kgs to be exact.
That is actually a very light gaming laptop as well. That's very slim in profile. In fact, I feel it is as slim as this older one. Let's actually do a comparison. This is actually thinner than the newer laptop by a smidge of a margin, as you can see. This opens up to be a very fancy thing. Can you open both of them and show how do they open up? So the advantage of that is you can see
the laptop,
the
keyboard lifts.
Yeah, so there's more heat dissipation. As you can see, there's a small gap there, and there's a flap which opens at the bottom, so even that lifts up slightly.
And इसका तो अलग ही system है ना. The keyboard is below, and this is all for cooling. And we have a very small trackpad here. This is technically a super high-res gaming laptop, and this one is also a gaming laptop, but you can do office stuff and small edits and all. This is a 240 Hz screen, that's a 120 Hz screen.
So basically this is our laptop, guys. And one more thing, in the next video I'll post a small clip about all the events for this fellow's marriage or wedding functions jo bhi ho rahe na. I'll keep a small video, and the link for the live sessions, every function which we are going to conduct is going to go live for sure. And obviously it is not possible for everybody to sit through the marathon of all the functions, but as and when you want it, you can click on the link and watch it for however long you want.
If you guys want live streaming of all the functions, do let us know, or that will become too draggy. That is the reason.
Yeah, I'll see. We can put it. People can come into the session whenever they want and then go out whenever they want. They can see thoda.
Yeah. So
yes,
I'll be
all
the links will be in the description. As
not of this video.
Not in this video,
but in the video in a couple of days maybe.
So by saying that, it's time for me to go.
Bye bye guys. Love you all. Take care. Start something new. See you in the next vlog.
Peace.